Let's update this Fire Stick. So the first thing you want to do is press the home button on the Fire Stick remote to get you to the home screen. And then you want to press the right button on the Fire Stick remote until you get to settings. And then go down to My Fire TV, select My Fire TV. And then you want to click on About. And then at the bottom of that menu, you should see Install Update. So go ahead and press Install Update. And now you should see this screen that says finishing updates. Just go ahead and leave it at this screen. So it looks like that update finished installing, and we know that because we are back at the About screen, and now instead of the words Install Update, it says Check for Updates. And that's pretty much it, folks. That's all we have to do to update your Fire TV stick. If we go to the home screen of the Fire Stick, you can see that the home screen is pretty much the same. That's pretty much it for installing this update on the Fire Stick. I hope this helps. Go ahead and subscribe if you want more videos.